Did you know your smartphone chip started as beach sand? Let's see how. First, sand is refined into pure silicon, then shaped into a cylindrical ingot. It looks something like your birthday cake. This ingot is cut into thin slices. Oh no, not like this, more like this. Then we get a disc-shaped wafer. Then we use light to draw tiny circuits on this wafer, like printing a city map. One wafer can hold many chips. Each chip holds billions of transistors, acting like tiny switches that control electricity. These switches form the brain of your phone, helping it do the tasks you give it, like browsing social media, calling, messaging. From beach sand to the brain of your phone. That's the magic of semiconductors. And this is just the beginning. The future of chips gets even wilder. Stick around for the next video.